Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be playing Rivals with my cousin and we'll be using pay-to-win items.
Hi.
So yeah, and my cousin has like this really weird voice changer thing, so...
I did not have a voice change, I swear.
Or maybe something's wrong with this microphone, so... Yeah, so do 2v2s.
Oh yeah, I forgot part of it. I'll make you part of it out this round.
Okay.
It'll make more sense.
My cousin sounds super weird.
Stop. No. Reversing sweats was Wait,
Yeah.
he has the same, wait. Ari, he changed his display name to Noob.
Huh?
He changed his display name to Noob.
How's that even possible? How's it not... It's inappropriate for me.
Oh, I missed every single shot, bro.
Okay.
Oh, I'm so not warmed up. No. No. The 50 on the he's full. I didn't do anything to him. Maybe one shot. Oh, you could have reloaded. Oh yeah. Oh, nice. Oh. Get the revolver. Get the revolver. You have one bullet on your... Yeah, you're cool. Nice, the way she goes.
So close.
Alright, okay, we gotta look in, Mario. Okay.
Okay, looking. Oh my days, bro. Your voice is so weird.
I don't know what happened.
Oh, why can't I...
38. He's low. The black guy's low. Don't kill him.
Nice.
He wants to go AR? AR? We lock in, bruh.
Yes.
When I got AR.
Sling spam. Okay, looks like they're raging now.
Yeah, make them rage. Oh no! I missed the one shot. Help. Oh, I did one shot, bruh.
Okay, I'm cooked. But that guy's like half health.
How high is he? Bruh! He was full HP! I
That's
like
so
beat
crazy.
him like... I beat him 120, bruh. What was that? What is it? Oh, this guy's cooked. This guy is cooked. Oh, on me. I did one headshot.
Okay.
He's lower than you. Or like 20. I'm cooking. Oh. He's trying to fish you or something.
I think I know what he's doing.
Don't run out of ammo.
Okay, he's low.
Yeah, slick shot him. Yeah, he's so nice. Plan ready.
Okay.
Oh, I kicked him at the start of the whole meeting. 44, Walter. I think that was him. Yeah, that was him.
Okay, got one.
He one shot. I think she
Nice, I got it.
Yeah, cause you went on the trip line, and like the...
Okay, classic only next one. Do classic only.
Okay. I don't like trial that much anymore.
So fun to use though. Okay, that guy just got beamed.
Reloading. Yeah. Oh, I got anti-cheated then. Oh, everybody die!
Oh my day, how much health does this guy have?
Oh,
Nice.
you were gonna fish me.
It,
Alright, now
and lock in.
yeah, second video. Oh, no, bro, what is it?
I know, last time we was 400s.
Yeah, lost.
Wait, did he
We
win
go
out?
like 3 rounds of them. We go like
Yeah,
10
3
2.
rounds. This
Oh
much.
no, wait, what
Look,
am I
bro,
doing?
179 streak and 120 streak. What is this?
Oh, okay.
Let's hope they're not causing
They
hacking.
would unlock him. They would unlock him. What's right?
Okay, it's flash drain.
Okay.
Oh, I'm lagging.
I'm
lagging. Oh my.
Oh my gosh, he beamed me with the paper gun. That is
Nah, I was
crazy.
lagging. I was like, bro, I literally have 990 ping.
Oh, the United States, of course. It's the United Nations. Oh no, please. 80. Yes. Oh, that guy's hot. Oh, no, holy shit. Yeah, rip.
Bruh.
Look in, bro, look in.
Okay, don't rush in there.
Wait, what? What? Oh, yeah, killed him. He's 1 HP. He was.
It's not 1 HP.
He killed him. No, this guy's 1 HP. No.
Bruh. My bad.
He was 1 HP. Sold up.
No, the other guy was 1 HP.
Okay.
The black one.
Yeah.
Oh my days. I feel like they're closer hacking.
No.
I mean, they're like not missing any of their shots.
Yeah. But they actually do so many good jobs.
Yeah.
They're cooking the people. I did 30 damage. Yeah, rip. Or he's just standing still on raid.
Bruh.
That's when you know that they're not even trying.
Yes. Definitely. They're not even trying.
I wonder if it'll affect.
Bro, what is this matchmaking?
I don't think they're gonna be too.
They probably are.
Yeah.
How's it? Okay.
I voted construction. Oh no, but I could have voted arena.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we got higher ping than them.
I got. Say that like I want a medkit.
I don't know why they're using sniper. In close
Yeah,
range.
so
They're probably gonna use the AR
Sniper,
now.
I wanna go sniper.
Okay, they probably got AR now. Well, do you think we should use Exogun?
Yeah.
Okay, just camp. Just do lots of movement. Just do lots of movement and camp.
I'm a sniper. I get like, they're not the only one.
Okay, camp. I did some damage to him.
I wanna sniper. Okay, yeah, I'm scared. I do a medkit.
Okay, just camp.
Yeah.
I did like so much damage to them.
Alright, they're coming back. They're not.
Just camp. They're not gonna do anything. Just like hide somewhere.
They'll come down. They're trying to
Oh,
bomb you.
one got me. Bruh. My bad.
Oh,
Okay, I think you should hit them. Try and hit them. The guy who killed me is like... Okay, what is this? Okay, you get spray. Just get spray and I'll use Exogun.
Spray isn't even that good.
Yeah, but it can hit through right shield.
I won't do enough damage.
Man, you're cooked. What?
No!
There's no way.
Nah, bro.
Okay, time to use Exogun. Wait, are they here? Oh my
Yeah,
god.
just win it.
Oh, there's a.
I'm dirty, I dare you. No, oh, he's low, he's low. He's one, he's one. He just exploded it. He
Bruh.
tanked. Tree bash. I spelled tree bash.
Use shotgun on him.
Well, I hate shotgun. So bad with it.
I'm gonna be a troll and use troll. They can't do anything against troll.
Oh, you got me in, bro.
Okay, one is low, one is low. Okay, you got the low guy. That guy's full, I'm pretty sure. Just stay back, just keep on running back. Okay.
Yeah, you can take that, buddy. Take that.
Take
Don't
that.
teabag me. Don't teabag
Why is your
me.
voice so weird?
I don't know. Okay, Mr. Katana Water. I did 30 and 30. I did 30 and 30.
Okay, I'm cooked. Oh my face.
Nice loadout, bro. Nice loadout.
Nice loadout.
Yeah, nice. Thank you. Yeah, nice, buddy.
Okay, I did some dashing.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I kept to reload.
Yeah, dude. What is he doing?
Easy, 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 bro. Easy.
Easy.
No problem, buddy. No problem.
No problem. Okay, they're gonna come here. Okay, wait, my bad for leaving you. Oh my. I can't get up here. Hello's the other guy.
He's hard. He's lower than you by like 10. Oh, you're cooked. He's gonna collect already. Oh, nice. He's red key. Wait.
Bruh. Okay, look in, Marin. I'm gonna use AR.
Yeah, I'm gonna use slingshot.
What is this?
Yeah, he.
Okay, I did like some damage to them.
Yeah, me too.
I got one. Dude.
He's gonna pull out the flamethrower.
Okay.
Oh, easy.
I get.
Alright, we're cooked. We just made us even more cooked.
Okay, they got a pretty low streak.
That's kind of hard. Whoa, grenade. You wanna go sniper? I wanna go sniper.
Okay. What is
That's
that?
good.
Okay, let's do sniper. Come on, you're cooked. Bro, where's my subspace trip mines? I didn't know them, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, what? Bruh.
Damn.
Nice. Oh, you didn't do any damage, bruh. I did a coward. I didn't be so cooked on battle grip. Oh, you want a mid kit?
Yeah, I should use subspace. Oh, watch out, grenade.
70.
Nice. Watch them say pay to win. Okay, never mind, that guy's flamethrower, bro.
What do you
Flamethrower that's staying still. Okay, this is.
We flamethrower.
Yeah, I literally saw. Why are you sending them over the map? What is this? Okay, just
It's dead still.
okay. Let's do secondary only. Okay, secondary only. Okay. Go on. Okay, man.
Okay. Try to.
Okay, he's the aim assist. He has aim assist. Okay, never mind. Show no mercy to them.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do classic only. Classic only.
Nah.
I thought you did some damage. Oh, you sound so weird. Okay. What? We're gonna get distracted by that? Oh no, they're just gonna take cover. Come here. Yes, follow me. Wait. Okay, that guy's like almost full. Damn. See, like noobs are nice, but like pros are like not nice. What is this? I accidentally stuck them. Ah! Cover, please. Nice. He got distracted by mine. Got distracted by me.
I'm back. No, like whenever I turn on my controller,
Yeah.
like my mic goes to the controller. And since my mic is like the controller, like mic is,
Okay.
it doesn't like come out here.
Bro, this guy's an 83% win rate in ranks.
How? Who? Alright, I guess his teammates sold this one. Bro, I got 4 headshots, bro. That was crazy. With this controller.
It's Singapore server, mine.
Oh no! I'm cooked. I don't want to.
Uh-oh. I think feel like... Hey!
Fully.
Oh my days. Stay away. Oh my gosh. Okay, just stay in the air. Just stay in the air.
What is it? No skill for another.
That's fine, I got him. I can deal with these gunblade people. They're like so easy to beat. Nice.
Headshot.
Except I got him.
But you still get the headshot.
I'm gonna try and bring him to my subspace chip mine. Yes, got him to my chip mine. I made him go into my chip mine. Okay, so the bacon guy is easy to like trick.
Oh, yeah.
Got beamed.
We're just trying a bit, you know.
Yes.
Let me just cook up something. Revolve only.
Oh, bro. Accidentally. Like I was using medkit in front of me.
What?
Yeah. Don't even know why people do this. Like just use medkit in front of people.
Used to
Oh, alright.
28.
Nice. Reloading. You need to leave. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's a tight guy.
Alright, come on. Come here. Come here. Alright, guys.
We'll see you
Shady
later.
honors. Yeah,
See you later. Make sure you like and subscribe. And
subscribe to my channel. It's Yo100 Pro.
Yes, Yo100 Pro. Well, thank you for watching and see you later. Bye bye.